Oh yeah. Gotta put the blower on it, bro. I'm telling you. You gotta put the blower on it. Just a little bit of boost. Yeah, it looks good. The valve covers like that. I can't get over that shit, bro. I can't get over that shit. That shit looks so good. So good, bro.
Thank you, thank you.
Clean as hell. Like I saw, like during 2K, I told you there's a one guy that had like, he had like the blue one.
Yeah.
And he had like the yellow wheels on it.
He had the 4.6 in there too?
Yeah, no, he had the 4 valve. It was built. It was fully built though. I saw like the what is it called? Like the external tank in the trunk, and the dude had like the, you know how they have, some guys have the hop switch in their cars. They have that like that box underneath the gas tank. Yeah, he had that. It was cammed, so I knew if you're gonna go out through all that, you know, it's boosted and it's built. Thing's clean though. Oh yeah. I do like this style though.
It's a love or hate.
Honestly, I feel like everybody likes this body style. No cap. I really, like realistically, like I would pick this style.
Over the Fox body?
Yeah, 100% over the Fox body. 100%. 100% I'd pick this over the Fox body. I know people are like, dude, what? But like, I would definitely pick this over the Fox body. It just sounds like it.
It's healthy.
Yeah. I'd definitely pick this over the Fox body. I'd pick this over the 9904, honestly. I really.
Yeah. I mean, if you're gonna go to 9904, you gotta get Terminator.
Yeah, I would pick this over the 9904, bro.
Yeah, definitely. Here's the 98 right here. It's the last model.
It's clean.
This is body model.
It's clean. It's clean. Literally could not put that shit in gear right there. Alright, hope you guys can hear me. Pulling up to a meet with the homie in the Cobra. Should be just a chill night. I definitely do not need to be beating on this car right now because this thing has been abused like the past 3 days pretty bad. And on top of that, there is some maintenance I need to do with this car before I can kind of go ahead and rag on it again. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cruise up there, going the speed limit, more or less. Honestly, this car, like with the back seats down, like, it really is kind of crazy. Like listening and everything, like you get the tire noise, you get the exhaust, you get that subtle like exhaust note and a little bit of drone, but at the same time I do like the way the car sounds. I kind of have this desire to want to go ahead and run dumps on this car. I don't know why, but I just kind of want to listen and figure out how that would sound, like dumps with the blower. I bet you it would actually sound pretty crazy. I don't think it actually would sound good though. I think it'd just be a lot of noise, but dumps are relatively cheap. I kind of wanted to test it out to see how it sounds and see if I like it, because I do know when I do drop in the new motor, I kind of want to do dumps just for weight savings and just to kind of hear the cam in its full effect, even though I think it would sound pretty decent with the Borla ATAK anyway. But I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. Should I go dumps? obviously I wouldn't sell the ATAK just to see how it sounds. I'm probably gonna do it. This thing sounds good as hell. I'm not gonna cap. The sound it makes on these walls. I like granny shifted and short shifted the hell out of that, but woo! This car is just loud and ignorant. I love it. Yeah, this car is literally just loud, ignorant. Yeah, we're just gonna go through that. Fuck that shit. The outside noise right now. Oh man. I mean, cruising in second. I'm literally cruising in second gear in 355s right now at like 3K RPM. Just fucking tornado. You guys can't hear anything I'm saying, but just fucking tornado noises like coming down and shit. Like, oh man. Back up in that bitch? Hell no. My windows rolled up so fast. No cap. You know, we finna go up. We're gonna go up top. We're gonna go up top this time. We're gonna go up top. You're gonna go up top. Watch out for this glass. right, it's like 2 days later. It's hot as hell outside. It's like 90 degrees. It's gonna be like this for like the next, I don't know, 10, 15 days, which I love. Finally getting that Houston weather, but I kind of didn't want to record a bunch of the meet just because it was like a bunch of revving and shit like that, a bunch of like kind of like takeover activity type stuff. Honestly, I don't really want to put that on my channel just because I'm not really trying to be around all that stuff. I know, you know, some people like takeovers, but realistically, for the type of stuff that I'm doing on my channel, like participating in takeovers is like the last thing I need to do. So yeah, just kind of just brush that off. Whenever I do record a meet, it's just because I want to see some, you know, nice cars. I don't really care what type of cars are there, but like when there's a bunch of revving and shit and, you know, people just, you know, acting out, I'm just not gonna pull the camera out and record because that just kind of amplifies it, and then people start doing more of that stuff, and then cops show up, you have to drive around, go another spot. I'm not really trying to do all that, so yeah. But man, dude, that Cobra's clean. My boy's Cobra is clean. I'll have his Instagram linked at the top description. Make sure you guys go ahead and check him out. Makes me want to Cobra even more. Man, dude, when I get my FRS back, which will be in the very near future, I think the Cobra is definitely going to be what I'm gonna be picking up, because it's crazy. The market for those cars too are way higher than, you know, what they were like a year ago. Like quite literally, fellas, I could part ways with that FRS and get into a Cobra, like essentially almost a straight trade, depending on the color I get and, you know, what's done in the Cobra. Obviously, the more stock, the better, so I can kind of put my own twist on it. But I wouldn't be opposed to getting like a mildly, yeah, modified one that maybe has like a Whipple swap, but like that's it, no cam, something like that, or either or, maybe like, you know, the stock blower with cams, something like that, to where I can kind of build on. But you know, I really wouldn't care as long as it's not just completely done up. I'd be down for it. Like, to be honest, depending on how much I get the FRS for, or I should sell it for, I'm not gonna put a price out right now. I will when I actually like am ready to sell it. But I really could get like a pristine Cobra. I'm talking about like Mr. Chrome pristine level, which would be nuts. Imagine selling the FRS and getting like a Mr. Chrome. That would be crazy. I'm not really too you know, hyped up about Mr. Chromes. They're cool, don't get me wrong, but for me personally, I like to like drive my cars and cruise them around and, you know, run them and stuff like that. I feel like if I had like a Mr. Chrome Cobra, that's kind of too nice to be doing stuff like that, like as weird as that might sound. So if I would, you know, get like another Oxford White, or like a DSG, or like a Red Fire, or a Comp Orange, that'd be something I'd be interested in. Really would be interested in something like that. So I don't know, let me know down in the comment section what color Cobra you guys would want. I know some people don't like the yellow ones. To be honest with you, the yellow ones don't even look that bad. Those kind of grow on me. I mean, yellow cars, if they're done right, I mean, they could look real good. So, but obviously Oxford White is kind of what I'm looking for a Cobra. But again, DSG, Comp Orange, shit, I'll take it. But yeah, man, let me know what your, if you got a Cobra, what would you get? Also, some other cars I'd be in the market for once I do go ahead and part ways with that FRS. If I didn't want to get a Cobra, I really could go ahead. Ooh, something's cammed down there. I really could go ahead and look at, you know, a well put together C5Z. I could be looking at, you know, C6 Corvettes. Realistically, could be looking at C6Zs too. I was looking at the new manual A90 Supra, and then obviously, you know, if I wanted just to go to the dark side, I could go ahead and get, you know, a Gen 3 Coyote manual, of course. I say dark side because I feel like everybody just is up for the swap, but realistically, a Gen 3 Coyote manual, I'd put like the Tremec transmission in there too. That really would quench my thirst for what I want to do with that car. I already know what I would do with that car, but I don't know. I think I should get the Cobra, experience the Cobra, and then kind of move from there, just because that is technically my dream car. I know a lot of new age guys say that, but like, it's for real my dream car. It's one of those cars where I definitely want to own, and because the market is the way it is right now, as far as, you know, the asking prices for BRZs,
I could realistically get, you know, a pristine Cobra by just selling that car. Yeah, I'll just say right now, I've seen guys sell those BRZs for like $27,000, like something ridiculous. Stock motor. I mean, mine has like gonna have like a built IAG bottom end in it, so I mean, I could realistically get 30K, I feel like, or at least 27. I would take 27. No cap, I'd take 24 to be honest with you, and I'd go ahead and get my Cobra right quick. Like, no cap. As soon as that shit's sold and I get that money in hand, I'm trying to cop a Cobra within like 2 weeks max. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think. What's the next move? Cobra? Or should we go 5.0? Or should we get into a Chevy? I mean, I already have a Chevy as a daily, but I really, Chevy, honestly, shit, Camaros, I got nothing against Camaros. I got nothing against Corvettes either, but a Corvette would be a nice move too. No joke, really wouldn't be. I don't know. Around the 35K price point is what I'm looking at for the next move to add on to this car. Obviously, I'm not gonna sell this car because we're just getting started, but the next move after the FRS, because quite honestly, I'm kind of tired of that car, realistically. I mean, it went out in a bad way, I'm not gonna lie, but at the same time, it kind of opened up my eyes, and now the market is the way it is. I mean, I can jump into something bigger and better and just enjoy myself, because, I don't know. I feel like once I get that car back, it's not gonna feel the same. It just really won't. It just will not feel the same. So, we'll see. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Kind of want to make a chill vid. Yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna catch you all in the next one. Peace.